Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 9 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are prepositions. As we know that prepositions are small words that join sentences that tell the position of the object in the sentence, and it tells where the position, where the direction is of the object with the subject. But here we are going to learn about the preposition, these small words in a sentence, so that you can learn them in the usage of a sentence making. Let us start with the first sentence here. The preposition usually includes with, to, by, of, from, at, through, between, behind, above, over. These are the few words that come in the category of prepositions. Now we are going to learn them through sentences. Let us start with the first sentence. वह मुझे वहाँ जाने से रोकता है. He prevents me from going there. So you can say the person from is used to get separated or differentiated. So he prevents me or stops me going there. मेरे पिताजी मेरे साथ थे. साथ is accompanied. पिताजी father. I was accompanied by my father. That means मेरे पिताजी मेरे साथ थे. इस खबर से घबराइए नहीं. Please don't get disturbed by this news. News is खबर. घबराइए, that means disturbed. So it's a request here that don't get disturbed by this news. By this news, in Hindi we call it as khabar. So please don't get disturbed by this news. दूसरों से व्यवहार करना तुम नहीं जानते. You don't know how to deal with others. Dealing is व्यवहार करना. That means how to treat others, how to behave with others. That is called as व्यवहार in Hindi. तुम दूसरों से, that is with others, you don't know how to react, how to act or how to behave. So that means you don't know how to deal with others. हमें अंग्रेजी भाषा से परिचित होना चाहिए. That means we should be acquainted with English language. English is what? अंग्रेजी. भाषा is language. परिचित, that means acquainted. So it is a requirement here that we should be acquainted with English language. We got fed up with his behavior. Behavior is व्यवहार. हम उसके व्यवहार से उकता गए. We got fed up with his behavior. That means we are not able to tolerate his behavior anymore. So we are just fed up of his behavior. हम उसके व्यवहार से उकता गए. We got fed up with his behavior. तुम्हें अपने व्यवहार में नर्म होना चाहिए. You must be polite in your behavior. Politeness is नर्म. व्यवहार is behavior. तुम्हें अपने व्यवहार में नर्म होना चाहिए. That means you must be polite in your behavior. वह संगीत में दक्ष है. He is well versed in music. Music is संगीत. Well versed, that means दक्ष. So वह संगीत में दक्ष है. That means he is well versed in music. उसे सफलता का पूरा भरोसा था. That means he was sure of success. Success is सफलता. Bharosa, that means surety. So he was sure of success. Success again it's सफलता, भरोसा, श्योरिटी. सो उसे सफलता का पूरा भरोसा था. मैं हमेशा उसका ख्याल रखता हूँ. I always care for him. That means caring is ख्याल रखना. So always हमेशा, मैं हमेशा उसका ख्याल रखता हूँ. That means I always care for him. He is addicted to smoking. वह धूम्रपान का आदी हो गया है. धूम्रपान is smoking. आदि is addicted. So he is now indulged in smoking. He is totally addicted to smoking. So we say वह धूम्रपान का आदी हो गया है. वह कमरे में गया. He went into the room. कमरा is room, गया is went. So वह कमरे में गया. That means he went into the room. Doctor warned him against working too hard. डॉक्टर ने उसे बहुत अधिक काम करने के लिए चेतावनी दी है. चेतावनी is warning. So doctor warned him against working too hard. So doctor has told him or given a warning, that is chetavni, for working too hard. So that means doctor is warning, giving a warning to a person that he should not work too hard. If he is working too hard, he must get some problem. So डॉक्टर ने उसे बहुत अधिक काम करने के लिए चेतावनी दी है. उसकी आलोचना तथ्यों पर आधारित नहीं है. आलोचना is criticism. That means he is criticizing anybody, but his criticism is not based on facts. Facts is tathya. Tathya is real facts, or the actual truth figures are called facts. So his criticism is not based on facts. उसकी आलोचना तथ्यों पर आधारित नहीं है. हम उस पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. We cannot rely on him. भरोसा is rely. We cannot rely on him. That means हम उन पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. That means we cannot rely on him. The bridge is over the river. So again another preposition here is over. This is describing the position of bridge over the river. पुल नदी के ऊपर है. The bridge is over the river. वह सीमा के बारे में पूछ रही थी. She was inquiring about Seema. That means inquiring is पूछना. वह सीमा के बारे में पूछ रही थी. That means she was inquiring about Seema. मैं जाने ही वाला था. That means I was about to go. जाना is go. जाने ही वाला था. That means about to go. So another preposition here is to. She was inquiring about Seema. Here the preposition is about. And the bridge is over the river. The preposition is over. The three sentences have different prepositions with the different objects and different subject here. So the person is about to go. मैं जाने ही वाला था. हमें अपने देश के लिए हर वस्तु का त्याग करने के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए. We should be prepared to sacrifice everything for the sake of our country. Sake is for our country. Sacrifice is त्याग. Prepared is तैयार. देश country. So we should be ready or prepared to sacrifice everything for the sake of our country. That means for our country, we must not step back. We must be ready always for any kind of help, for any kind of thing that our country needs at that time. We should be ready at that time for the different things. So हमें अपने देश के लिए हर वस्तु का त्याग करने के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए. हमें अपने मित्रों की भलाई में रहना चाहिए. भलाई इज फेवर. मित्रों इज फ्रेंड्स. हमें अपने मित्रों की भलाई में रहना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स वी शुड एक्ट in favor of our friends. Friends are mitra. So we should never go in against our friends. Our decision should be in favor of our friends. So हमें अपने मित्रों की भलाई में रहना चाहिए. उसे मीटिंग के बीच में से अचानक जाना पड़ा. He had to leave suddenly in the midst of meeting. उसे मीटिंग के बीच में से अचानक जाना पड़ा. अचानक is suddenly. Meeting. Midst is beach. So he had to leave suddenly in the midst of meeting. उसे मीटिंग के बीच में से अचानक जाना पड़ा. He had to leave the meeting because he has some urgent work at that time. So he had to leave. That means जाना पड़ा. उसे मीटिंग के बीच में से अचानक जाना पड़ा. So these we have done prepositions in, over, beyond, about, of, to, towards, under, in favor, in the midst. We have done different preposition in different forms used in the different day-to-day life sentences, different activities we do every day. So according to that, we have learned few sentences that are used for our day-to-day routine life. So that we have studied in this session. That is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.